Apparently, scientists are already capable of growing organs in the lab, which means we're only a few years away from being able to have all of our beef, pork, and chicken made in a laboratory. Basically, lab-grown meat would be just like meat from living animals, but without all the annoying guilt-inducing face or cuddliness. You know, kind of like what Kesha is as compared to Regina Spektor. You get the lab-grown meat without the confusion of a brain or personality. But whenever I talk to people about this, they go, I would never eat that shit. It's unnatural. Really? You find lab-grown meat more disgusting than taking a bolt gun to a cow's head, scooping away its disagreeable bits, and then carving up its still warm carcass to be mixed with a million lab-grown chemicals to create your Happy Meal? You think lab meat is more revolting than slitting Porky Pig's throat and letting him bleed out so that we can make our Dunkin' Donuts flatbread sausage patties? Full disclosure, I have once wanted to brutally drain the life from Porky Pig, but it was because I was on a 7-hour flight and the 3-year-old next to me was watching the same 8-minute cartoon on repeat for the entire trip. Turns out 3-year-olds do fit in the overhead carry-on bins. You just gotta fold them correctly. And it's not like you're only getting the good parts in most of your hamburgers. If you're lucky, everything in your hamburger helper once belonged to a cow, or at least something that passed itself off as a cow, like a wildebeest or a giant sloth or a hippo with a hat on. I mean, you think lab-grown meat is more repulsive than whatever industrial byproducts were forced together in some unholy alliance to give birth to cheese doodles? Or the WWE action figure leftover chemical paste that was used to create the nougat in your Three Musketeers candy bar. Not natural? Where exactly does nougat grow? I'd like to go nougat picking sometime on a brisk fall afternoon with friends and family. Just fill my basket with some farm fresh nougat while the kiddies ride on the tractor. Not natural? What's natural nowadays? Anything? Water? Look at the label. Look at the label on your bottle of Dasani purified water. It has sodium, magnesium sulfate, and potassium chloride in it. I think I also tasted a hint of nougat. And finally, thank you to everybody for the huge response to Moments of Clarity. I appreciate all the comments, and let's see, throw out some names. Thank you to Steve7508, JW2K, Fad Smashers for all your amazing comments, and so many other people. And also, Jim26, you can go Hull. For what you said to me. And thanks, everybody. Leave a comment, pass it around, and subscribe if you haven't already to this link that's probably floating around here. Thanks.